how to create a Temando profile. Go to the Temando homepage and click Sign Up Free. This will then take you to a separate page where you need to enter details of either your individual or company, your email address, phone number, password, confirm your password, company name, ABN, website. Then this information will only be used by Temando to contact you. Once you have read the user policy, you will need to agree and complete registration. How to link your Temando profile and eBay. Once you are logged in, from your dashboard, select Link to an eBay account. From the drop-down menu, you will need to select eBay and create your token. You will be redirected to an eBay landing page, which requires you to log in using your eBay username and password. The next page is granting application access to Temando. You are required to read the privacy statement. Once you have done so, select I agree. You will then be taken back to Temando. A green success bubble will appear at the top of the page, indicating your eBay and Temando accounts are now linked. Adding inventory. Click the Inventory section on your dashboard. Click Create New Inventory in the top right-hand corner. Here you will enter specific details of the item you wish to add to your inventory. Enter your own reference, a description of the product. Select the packaging type from the drop-down menu, whether it be carton, box or satchel. Enter in the length, width and height, and also the weight. You can also include the insurable value. Create New Inventory will add this item to your inventory list. As you can see, it now appears here in the inventory list. Creating a shipping calculator. You can create a shipping calculator from your dashboard by clicking Create a Calculator link under the Inventory section. Here you will be required to enter in the packaging details. You can also create a new calculator by clicking Inventory. On the item you like to create a calculator link for, select More options. Select Create a New Calculator. A pop-up will appear. The packaging details will be pre-populated, but these are editable. Next, click Produce and Test link. This will take you through an example of the shipping calculator. The buyer will enter their postcode or suburb, and click Show My Quotes. Temando will process these details and provide a quote for the shipping. Inserting a calculator into an eBay listing. Once you've produced the calculator link, copy the link. Go to your eBay account. In this instance, we are editing an existing listing. The calculator link is inserted in the Describe What You're Selling section. Here you may want to explain to potential buyers that this calculator provides an estimate cost of the shipping and further explain the shipping payment process. Simply paste the link. For the link to appear, you will need to change one more setting. If you scroll down the page to Give Buyers Postage Details, In the first drop-down menu, select Freight, Large and Bulky Items. Continue with your eBay listing and save as normal. Viewing your shipping calculator in your eBay listing. The calculator will appear in your listing under Description. Here is an example of what the buyer sees. They simply select delivery options. Again, put in their postcode or suburb. And select Show My Quotes. This will provide the buyer with a list of quotes for the cost of shipping for this particular eBay item. Please note, at this stage the calculator only displays a quote for customers. Once a purchase is made, you will still be required to advise the buyer the final cost and send an invoice for the cost of shipping after purchase of the item. The benefit of the shipping calculator is to reduce inquiries from customers regarding shipping costs on items.